Hello guys, I got a question from someone. He told me, oh, why you are drinking coffee when you make videos? Well, see, when I make videos, it's like a peaceful and rest time for me. So when I just want to tell something, or I got questions from my subscribers or my students or wherever, so I will just take this opportunity to make a coffee and to drink it. Drinking coffee is an old habit, an old tradition. It stimulates the mind, and it is a stimulant, as you might know, like coffee and tea. So I don't want to sleep. That's why I drink coffee, in order to be like awake when I'm talking and I understand what I'm saying to the other people. Understand that it depends on what the people like to drink, coffee or tea or other things here like iced tea or iced coffee, or I don't know. For me, I would never drink something like coffee or tea that it is iced or it is cold. It's not my habit and it's not in our traditions. So that's why I just do what I am comfortable with. Coffee should be always hot, it should never be cold. Point or period. Go to the line. And um, it's just a time where I can feel comfortable and speak. And if I feel I need a sip of coffee, I just take a sip and continue to talk, because this sip of coffee, it doesn't stop you from doing anything else. You can just listen or watch or wherever. And this is all for this coffee question. I hope I didn't get another question about coffee or about tea. It's just a way to do things. Now, as the people um, like do a lot of experience in trading, they began to make habits. Either you are trading for 1 year or 2 or 3 or 10 years or 15 years. If you are doing a good habits, believe it or not, you will make money in the market. Now, if you are repeating the same mistakes, time doesn't count here. Okay? Someone before, like from Wall Street, I don't know, is like working with a broker in New York or wherever. He sent me an email. He say, okay, um, I need to see how do you trade or wherever. I say, how long have you been trading? He say, 15 years. Oh, 15 years, and you are in New York and you can't make money. It's hard, because those are the centers of money, and you find big traders, floor traders, a lot of traders there. Okay, because it's a big city. Now, it's just because you have bad habits. When you have bad habits and you do it means these bad habits, you make mistakes in trading. So you will find the end is that the beginning, your beginning is like the end. It means when you are beginner, like the first year, or you spent 20 years in trading or investing and you can't make money, it means you are making the same mistakes. It's not because you are bad or you are having no luck, or because I don't believe in that. I don't believe in luck, chance, opportunity, and it means it is something that it is not in your control. Because if you do business, it should be in your control. If you don't control nothing, how can you do business? Okay? Why some companies they succeed, other companies they collapse and they do bankruptcy? Why? It's not because those that are lucky, the other they are not lucky. No, because if people, people who have a lot of money, they don't throw their money for luck. A lot of people who have big money, they can do like interest with interest rate or saving or whatever, and they want a return from their money, at least a sure thing or not. Either they can get a little amount, but they want a sure thing like bonds. But you know, even with bonds they can lose money. Even they are sure thing with 5% or 2% or 6%, you can lose money. Okay, so it's not you leave all your business on the hope to make money. The hope will never give you money. Staying 10 years in trading and you think that time will make you money, you become good. No. Okay, it's not time. It is how much you learned, how much you practiced. Someone who has done 3 months, he has seen so many stocks, so many things, and maybe he has learned so much than someone who spent 3 years doing nothing, okay, and doing the same mistakes. Okay, the thing about trading is you should be patient. This is one of the good habits that you could learn. You should be patient to get your profits, to get your money. If you want quick thing, you will lose money, because the market doesn't work with quick or not quick. It works with a direction. Let's drink some coffee, because we are speaking about coffee tonight. And as I told you, it's not time that if you stay, for example, you tell me, oh, okay, what if I stay 5 years trading? Can I be better or be good? I say it depends. Now, why it depends? It depends on you. If you are practicing, you are asking questions, you are getting training, you correct your mistakes, your level will change to the better always. You are increasing your information, increasing your money. It means you are learning new things from the market by practicing. Skills, they are not theory. It means if I say to you, oh, just practice stop loss and do this and follow the trend and buy opportunity and buy this and sell this, this is theory. But you should practice in order to feel these things and in order to ameliorate your skills, because there are some people, they select good stocks but they exit early. They can't make money, although that stock after few weeks it goes up and all the people, they make money except for this guy. Okay, sometimes people, they don't know how to select stocks. That's why what will happen, whenever they buy a stock, it goes down, as if it is their fate or it is their destiny to lose money, which is not. Instead of this guy is looking why he chooses this stock on this price or on this signal or on this criteria, he will see that he might be wrong. That technique that he uses is wrong. What you should do, you should change the technique and see. Ask questions, get training, do something. It means when you do something for the better, you ameliorate your everything that you are doing. In any business, I'm not just speaking about stock market, I'm speaking about any business. You should practice, you should have skills. If you have some money like $100,000 or 200,000 or 1 million or whatever money you have, and you want to do a business but you don't know nothing about it, you will lose your money, because there is a big risk of losing money because you don't know how to run the business. You see, it seems very easy, but when you begin, you will find difficulties, you will find problems that you have never thought about. But some people who have experience, who have skills, when they have the money, they can do better business because they know already what they should do in this business. This is just a general thing about the market, and as I told you, there are some people who spend the whole life, 10 years, 20 years, or 50 years, they invest, but at last they see that they don't make money. And there are just few people who have just few years, they make more money with the same money, okay? And they ask questions, why? It's just because you don't know. If you know and you practice, you will be better than anyone else if your strategies, your ways of doing business is better than the other people, okay? But there is no way that you think about the stock market as a hope thing, or you just gamble, take all your money, you go to options, you buy options, you just mess up with all this, and you just wait a few days and you will see if you make money, a lot of money, or you lose all your money. This is what we call kamikaze trading. It means you can't make it with this stuff. The business should be set up, you should know your plans, you should know how to trade, when to buy, when to sell, where to put your stop loss, how to think about your risk in all these trades that you do. You will never know how much money you will make, because the market decides for that. It's not you. But the only thing that you can decide of is when you exit. This is your decision. It's not the market decision. Or you want either with a loss or with a profit. It is your decision, not the market. Okay? The market can give you signs when you buy, when you sell, it gives you signs. And this is what we are looking for always when you follow the trend when you buy a stock. Okay? So let me drink some coffee. I really enjoy drinking coffee. Okay? So it's not just a way to make you to let me wake up and just a stimulant for the mind or for the body, but it is something, a habit that I got from my ancestors, and we follow the this kind of stuff. The funny thing is, here in the USA, the big thing that I was astonished is just I see the big cups of coffee. I say, man, this is like 1 gallon of coffee. Why the people are drinking 1 gallon of coffee? It's too much. I don't know if they drink it like water or like some drinks, or and it's just a habit. Some people, they get used to it, they just use it. Hope it's not bad for the health. It's just okay. If you are okay, if you are living, if you don't die, you don't get sick of this coffee or tea or whatever you drink, you are okay. That's good. You amuse yourself and you do whatever you like. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you for the guy who asked me, why do you drink coffee? And as always, if you have questions, just ask, even if it is not out of the subject that we are dealing with, which is trading and investing in stock market. You just ask, and thank you very much and have a nice day.